Bosch brought home comfort to AHR 2024 in Chicago. We showed off our wide portfolio of heating and cooling products, including the IDS Ultra Cold Climate Heat Pump, which has 100% heating capacity down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit and is operational down to -13 degrees. And the GreenTronic 7000T Hybrid Electric Water Heater, which utilizes heat pump technology. Contractor and HGTV host Mike Holmes stopped by to get an up-close look at the new products and learn about the Bosch Home Comfort Pro Dealer Program. The Bosch team also appeared on numerous podcasts. Thanks for watching.